In this video, we'll be looking at the round down formula in Excel. For those of you that are aware of the round formula, you'll know that it will round a number up or down to a specific number of decimal places using the rule that a number that is 5 or higher rounds up and 4 or lower rounds down. Round down performs the same rounding action, however it will always force the number to round down to the nearest specified decimal place. Let's see how it works. On screen, we have a list of products and their prices. In this cell, I'll type the round down formula and then an open paren. Now you can see that the build-up of the formula itself is very simple. First, you specify the cell reference of the number that you are rounding down, and then after a comma, you specify how many decimal places you would like to keep in the final result. I'll continue this cell and specify that B2 is the number that we want rounded, and after a comma, I'll specify 2 decimal places. You see when I hit enter that the number is forced to round down to 2.34. Now I'll copy that formula down to the remaining cells, and you can see the actions taken on all the different numbers. Note that the price for the binder is forced to round down, even though the rounding number was an 8. If I change the decimal places here to a 0, and then copy the formula down again to the remaining cells, you'll notice the same rounding down pattern, except in this case we have no decimals in play. And that's it for the round down formula. The key thing to remember is that round is for rounding numbers using standard rules, but round down will always force the number to round downwards. If this video has been helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.